Meaning of emerald.
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 Emerald. Emerald is a green precious stone that is highly valued in jewelry. It is a variety of the mineral beryl, and its color comes from trace amounts of chromium and vanadium. The name emerald comes from the Greek word smaragdos, meaning green gem. In addition to its beauty, emerald has been associated with various meanings throughout history, such as love, hope, and rebirth. Due to its rarity and popularity, emerald is often considered a symbol of luxury and status, and is used in engagement rings and other high-end jewelry designs.